Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back. In the previous period, we were on page number 149, and the question was, I think, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Six questions, and their answers were studied by us in the previous period. Up to this, we have noticed, or we have understood, or we have realized seven questions, six questions, and their answers given by Mary Kom. मेरी कोमने सहा प्रश्नांची उत्तर दिलेली आतापर्यंत आपण पाहिले आहे मुलांना. आजपासून या आजच्या पिरियडमध्ये आपल्याला नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पाहायचा आहे, आस्क बाय द interviewer Taruka Srivastava. You know, the interviewer is Taruka Srivastava and the interviewee is Mary Kom. Mary Kom is giving answers of the questions asked by the interviewer Taruka Srivastava. तारुका श्रीवास्तव प्रश्न विचारते आहे आणि मेरी कोम त्या प्रश्नांची उत्तर देत आहे, हे आपण पाहतो आहोत. अप टू दिस she means Taruka Srivastava has asked Mary Kom 6 questions and Mary Kom responded all the questions positively. Today we are going to start from question number 7 on page number 149. सातवा प्रश्न आता सुरू करूया. Page number 149, 7th question. The interviewer asked, do you think interest in boxing is in India will ever go beyond the Olympics? Question number 7 asked by Taruka Srivastava. Do you think, तुला असं वाटते का मेरी, इंटरेस्ट इन बॉक्सिंग इन इंडिया, भारतीय लोकांमध्ये किंवा भारतीय तरुणांमध्ये बॉक्सिंगची असलेली आवड विल एव्हर गो बियॉन्ड द ऑलिम्पिक्स, ऑलिम्पिकच्या बाहेरही ही कायम राहील का, की फक्त ऑलिम्पिक पुरतच मर्यादित राहील? विल इट बी लिमिटेड फॉर ऑलिम्पिक गेम्स द इंटरेस्ट इन बॉक्सिंग इन इंडिया अमंग द यंगस्टर्स? The response of Mary Kom. She said, yes, I am sure that in a few years boxing will be very popular among everyone in India. She is sure. Mary Kom is sure about the interest among the youngsters, and she says that in a few years boxing will be very popular among everyone in India. भारतातील प्रत्येक तरुण तरुणीमध्ये बॉक्सिंगची आवड ही कायम राहील नव्हे, ती वाढेल येणाऱ्या काही वर्षामध्ये. आय एम शुअर दॅट इन ए फ्यू इयर्स बॉक्सिंग विल बी व्हेरी पॉप्युलर अमंग एव्हरीवन इन इंडिया ऑल द इयर अराउंड. येस, it means Mary Kom is sure about the interest among the youngsters of India that they will continue their interest regarding boxing in India. भारतातील तरुण तरुणींमध्ये बॉक्सिंगची असलेली आवड निश्चितच वाढेल किंवा कायम राहील, याही पुढे वाढेल. This sentence is important for identify the tense and make it exclamatory. एकाच वाक्यात दोन प्रश्न महत्वाचे राहतील मुलांना. In a few years, boxing will be very popular among everyone in India. Sentence number 1 for grammar. In a few years, comma, boxing will be very popular. Boxing will be very popular. Boxing will be very popular among everyone in India. Yes, this sentence will be important for identify the tense. Identify the tense. वाक्याचा काळ ओळखा, यासाठी हा प्रश्न, त्यातलाच अर्धा प्रश्न वेगळा करतोय मी. सेंटेन्स नंबर 2, बॉक्सिंग विल बी व्हेरी पॉप्युलर अमंग एव्हरीवन इन इंडिया. बॉक्सिंग विल बी व्हेरी पॉप्युलर. बॉक्सिंग विल बी व्हेरी पॉप्युलर in among everyone in India. That question will be make exclamatory. Make it exclamatory. याला उद्गारवाचक बनवा. Yes. There are two sentences useful for grammar, under grammar. The first sentence is for identify the tense. In a few years, boxing will be very popular among everyone in India. While identifying a tense in the of the sentence, you verb will be help you to identify the tense. एखाद्या वाक्याचा टेन्स ओळखताना मुलांनो त्या वाक्यातील क्रियापद तुम्हाला काळ ओळखण्यास मदत करते. कॅन यू आयडेंटिफाय द वर्ब इन दिस सेंटेन्स? येस, यू आर राईट. Verb is will be. Helping verb is there. And you know, will or shall is always used in simple future tense. So answer is simple future tense. Simple future tense. Yes. Second sentence. Boxing will be very popular among everyone in India. Make it exclamatory. While making a sentence exclamatory, what will be helpful to you? The changing word. Which is the changing word in this sentence? Yes, of course. Very. Very changes into how. Veryचं रूपांतर how मध्ये होते. Then second form. Next word to changing word. बदलणाऱ्या शब्दाच्या पुढील शब्द. That is popular. Then subject boxing. Then verb will be. And remaining words among everyone in India. Exclamation mark. How popular boxing will be among everyone in India. This will be the exclamatory sentence of the assertive one. Mary Kom responded positively of the question asked by the interviewer. Then the interviewer asked her next question, that is number 8. Interviewer asks, how aware are Indian women of their nutritional requirement? Nutritional requirement. Nutritional, poshak ghatak, poshak ahar. Yes. How aware are Indian women of their nutritional requirements? भारतीय महिला खेळाडू आपल्या पोषण आहाराबद्दल किती जागृत आहेत असा प्रश्न इंटरव्ह्युअरने मेरी कोमला विचारला. हाऊ अवेअर आर इंडियन विमेन ऑफ देअर न्यूट्रिशनल रिक्वायरमेंट? Diet and nutrition must have been a key factor in your conditioning for the Olympics. See under glossary meaning of conditioning. Conditioning means become fit. Yes. For participating in the Olympic Games, it is very necessary for the players to be fit. And you know, diet and nutrition can make a player fit for the game. योग्य आहार, योग्य पोषण आहार खेळाडूला मजबूत बनवते किंवा खेळण्याची शक्ती, ऊर्जा प्रदान करते. So, Indian women must be very alert about nutritional requirements. So, what is your opinion, Mary Kom? Asked Taruka Srivastav about the nutritional requirements. Do you think, again the question, do you think nutrition is a neglected area in Indian sports? In Indian sport, nutrition is a neglected part, according to Taruka Srivastav. So, what is your opinion, Mary Kom, about that the nutrition is a neglected area in Indian sport? भारतीय क्रीडा क्षेत्रामध्ये आहार हा दुर्लक्षित घटक आहे. याबद्दल तुझं काय मत आहे मेरी? असा प्रश्न तारुका श्रीवास्तवने मेरी कोमला विचारला. What was the answer of Mary Kom? But before that, let us see that sentence. Do you think nutrition is a neglected area in Indian sports? This sentence can be asked for आयडेंटिफाय द सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज अँड नेम इट. हे वाक्य तुम्हाला सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज साठी विचारलं जाईल मुलांनो. सेंटेन्स नंबर 3. डू यू थिंक, डू यू थिंक nutrition is a neglected area in Indian sports. हा, भारतीय क्रीडा क्षेत्रामध्ये आहार किंवा पोषण आहार हा एक दुर्लक्षित घटक आहे असं तुला वाटते का? सो क्वेश्चन विल बी आयडेंटिफाय और अंडरलाइन. Identify or find subordinate clause and name it. सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज शोधा आणि त्याचे नाव सांगा असा प्रश्न आहे. डू यू थिंक, तुला असे वाटते का न्यूट्रिशन इज अ निग्लेक्टेड एरिया इन इंडियन स्पोर्ट्स? सो हियर न्यूट्रिशन इज निग्लेक्टेड एरिया इन इंडियन स्पोर्ट. दिस इज मेन क्लॉज. डू यू थिंक, तुला असे वाटते का? इट इज द सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज. सो राइट हियर द सेंटेन्स विच इज सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज. जो सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज आहे तो खाली लिहायचा, डॅश द्यायची, देन subordinate clause, type its name or state its name. It is noun clause, subordinate clause of noun. Underline this sentence. हे subordinate clause nouns आहे. Do you think nutrition बद्दल विचारलाय. Nutrition is a noun, so the subordinate clause is a subordinate clause of noun. So our question asked by the interviewer about the nutritional value or the diet and nutrition. So what is the response of Mary Kom? Mary Kom responded saying that the awareness is growing now among the female athletes when it comes to nutritional requirement. No, she refused, saying that awareness is growing now among the female athletes. महिला खेळाडूंमध्ये आता याबद्दलची जागृती वाढत आहे. What about diet and nutrition? Yes, female athletes are becoming alert or becoming aware of nutrition and diet. Yes, the awareness is growing now among the female athletes when it comes to nutritional requirements. Nutrition has definitely been a neglected area in Indian sports. Yes, it is definitely a neglected area. Means Mary Kom agreed with the interviewer regarding that diet and nutrition is a neglected part in Indian sports. भारतीय क्रीडा क्षेत्रामध्ये आहार आणि पोषण ह्या दोन गोष्टी दुर्लक्षित आहेत ही गोष्ट तिने मान्य केली. न्यूट्रिशन हॅज डेफिनेटली बीन ए निग्लेक्टेड एरिया इन इंडियन स्पोर्ट्स, नो डाउट. I had to gain 3 kilograms since I had to fight in the 51 kilogram event instead of the usual 48 kilograms that I fight in. At the beginning, when she entered in the Indian sports, Mary had only 48 kilograms weight. But when she had to participate, when she had to fight, or when she had to play with the other competent, she has to play in the 51 kilograms event. 51 किलोग्राम वजनाच्या गटात तिला खेळायचं होतं. And her weight was only 48. So she has to grow her weight with 3 kilograms more. अशा वेळी 51 किलो गटात जेव्हा तिला खेळायचा प्रसंग आला, तिचं वजन 48 किलोग्राम होतं, ज्यामध्ये ती नेहमी खेळायची. पण आता 3 किलो वजन वाढायचं आहे. यासाठी काय करायचं? So I had to gain 3 kilograms since I had to fight in the 51 kilograms event instead of the usual 48 kilograms. Her usual event was related to 48 kilograms because her weight was 48 kilograms. But when she had to participate in the 51 kilograms event, she had to gain, she had to increase, she had to grow her weight with 3 kilograms. So I had to focus on what to eat in order to increase her weight with 3 kilograms. She has to focus on what to eat. वजन वाढवायचं आहे 3 किलोने. आता मेरी कोमला काय खायचं यावर लक्ष केंद्रित करावं लागलं. आय हॅड टू फोकस ऑन व्हॉट टू ईट. I gained weight by eating the right kind of healthy food rather than bad saturated fats. See under glossary meaning of saturated fats, unhealthy fats. फॅट्स म्हणजे मेद, चरबी, चरबीयुक्त भोजन, मेदयुक्त भोजन. That is saturated fat. So she had to focus on healthy food because she had to increase her weight with 3 kilograms more for participating in 51 kilograms event. अशा वेळी 3 किलो वजन वाढवण्यासाठी तिने काय केलं? मग तिने अशा प्रकारच्या एका आरोग्यदायी किंवा पोषण आहारावर लक्ष केंद्रित केलं, ज्यामुळे तिचं वजन 3 किलोने वाढेल. अँड शी वॉज सक्सेसफुल इन दिस इव्हेंट. शी वॉज सक्सेसफुल इन दिस प्रोसिजर. I gained weight by eating the right kind of healthy food. She gained weight. How much weight did she gain? 3 kilograms and reached to the level of 51 kilograms to take part in 51 kilograms event. अशा प्रकारे 51 किलोग्राम वजनाच्या गटात खेळण्यासाठी तिला 3 किलोने आपलं वजन वाढवावं लागलं. आणि यासाठी तिला विशेष प्रकारचं हेल्दी फूड कशाच्या तुलनेत? बॅड सॅच्युरेटेड फॅटच्या तुलनेत घ्यावं लागलं. ओके, सो देर आर सम सेंटेन्सेस इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर ग्रामर इन दिस पॅसेज. फर्स्ट सेंटेन्स इज द अवेअरनेस इज ग्रोइंग नाउ अमंग द फिमेल ऍथलीट्स. दिस सेंटेन्स इज इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर आयडेंटिफाय द टेन्स. हे वाक्य मुलांनो आयडेंटिफाय द टेन्स साठी विचारलं जाईल तुम्हाला. सेंटेन्स नंबर 4. द अवेअरनेस इज ग्रोइंग. The awareness is growing now among the female athletes. Now among the female athletes. Female athletes. Yes. Female athletes. Yes. And the question will be identify the tense. Identify the tense. टेन्स ओळखा किंवा काळ ओळखा, यासाठी हे वाक्य विचारलं जाईल. आणि दुसरं आणखी एक वाक्य त्याच पॅसेज मध्ये आहे, ते आहे नंबर 5. I gained weight by eating the right kind of healthy food. I gained weight by eating the right kind of healthy food. This sentence will be asked for change the voice. हे वाक्य तुम्हाला चेंज व्हॉइस साठी विचारलं जाईल मुलांनो. इट मीन्स वी कॅन टेक आउट 2 sentences important for grammar from this passage. The one is for identifying the tense. पहिलं वाक्य identify the tense. What is ओळखा. Read the sentence once again. The awareness is growing now among the female athletes. What part of the sentence will be helpful to you to identify the tense? वाक्यातला कोणता भाग तुम्हाला टेन्स ओळखण्यासाठी मदतगार ठरू शकतो? येस, येस, that is helping verb or main verb. See, which is the helping verb or main verb in this sentence? See here, is growing. Yes, here is the helping verb and growing is the main verb. And you see, ing form of verb is there. Agree? It means it is continuous tense. Which continuous tense? It will tell you that the helping verb. The helping verb will tell you about the type of tense. Means it is present continuous tense or present progressive tense. So right here, answer of the sentence, present continuous tense. Yes, this is the answer. Second sentence, I gained weight by eating the right kind of healthy food. Weight is the noun. Student, listen carefully. Weight, W-E-I-G-H-T. Weight is the noun. Pronunciation will be weight. Weight is the noun. Verb will be to weigh. W-E-I-G-H. Weigh means verb. Weigh म्हणजे वजन करणे. Agree? Past tense will be weighed. W-E-I-G-H-E-D. Weighed. It will be V2. Weighed. उच्चार काय करायचा याचा? Weighed. Weighed. याचा उच्चार काय करायचा? Only weigh. So, weight is the noun of the verb weigh. Here, I gained weight by eating the right kind of healthy food. Change the voice. While changing the voice, we use 3 steps. First, identify the voice. Second, divide the sentence. Third, identify the tense. So, first of all, let's identify the type of voice. I gained weight by eating the right kind of healthy food. There is no form of to be, means it is active voice. Active voice is divided into subject, verb, object. I, subject, gained, verb, weight, object by remaining words. Okay. Now third steps, that is identify the tense. Identify the tense. Verb will be helpful to you to identify the tense. See here, it is second form of verb again, means it is simple past tense. Okay. If there is simple past tense, you can use either was or were of form of to be. जर सिंपल पास्ट टेन्स असेल तर वॉज किंवा वर यापैकी आपण टू बीचं रूप वापरू शकतो. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट अवर सेंटेन्स विथ ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट इज वेट. W capital. Weight. W capital. Weight. W-E-I-G-H-T. W-E-I-G-H-T. Weight was. Gain. Participle कायम. Gained by. Subject I. Ditya me. Remaining word. By eating the right kind of healthy food. Okay. Weight was gained by me by eating the right kind of healthy food. This will be the passive voice of the sentence. Okay? Yes. So, Mary Kom expressed her feelings or expressed her experience regarding increasing her weight from 48 to 51. How did she get? How did she get? How did she grow her weight with 3 kilograms? By eating the right kind of healthy food. She consumed the right kind of healthy food and was successful in growing the weight with 3 kilograms for being successful in taking part in the 51 kilograms event. 51 किलोग्राम वजन गटाच्या स्पर्धेत सहभागी होण्यासाठी तिला 3 किलोने आपलं वजन वाढवावं लागलं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड बाय द इंटरव्यूअर. How big a role did OGQ play in shaping the boxing scene in India for the better? OGQ. It is a short form of Olympic Gold Quest. OGQ stands for Olympic Gold Quest. Yes. Olympic Gold Quest. How big a role did OGQ play in shaping the boxing scene in India for the better? It was the question related to OGQ. ऑलिम्पिक गोल्ड क्वेस्ट हे भारतीय खेळाडूंमध्ये बॉक्सिंगच्या बाबत आवड निर्माण करण्यासाठी कशा प्रकारे रोल किंवा भूमिका अदा करत आहे. How big a role did OGQ play in shaping the boxing scene in India for the better? भारतीय खेळाडूंमध्ये किंवा भारतामध्ये बॉक्सिंगच्या बद्दल आवड निर्माण करण्यासाठी OGQ कशा प्रकारे भूमिका पार पाडते किंवा पार पाडली. Mary Kom responded saying, OGQ really played an important part in my success. She agreed. She confessed that OGQ had played a very important role in the success of Mary Kom. माझ्या यशामध्ये OGQने फार महत्वाची भूमिका पार पाडली आहे असं मेरी कोम म्हणते. पुढे काय म्हणते ती? अगेन शी सेड, दे हेल्प मी आउट व्हेन एव्हर आय नीडेड समथिंग. OGQ हेल्प मी व्हेन एव्हर आय नीडेड समथिंग. ज्या ज्या वेळी मला ज्या ज्या गोष्टींची गरज पडली त्या सर्व गोष्टी मला OGQने पुरवल्या. अशा प्रकारे मला मदत केली. दे टूक केअर ऑफ एव्हरीथिंग which helped me focus on my boxing and kept me stress free. OGQ played a very important role in the success of Mary Kom. They helped her whenever she needed help. At the same time, they took care of everything and that helped her to focus on the practice of boxing and kept her stress free. She was stress free during the whole events because of the great help provided by OGQ. OGQने जी मदत मला केली त्या मदतीमुळे मी चांगलं यश मिळवू शकली आणि स्ट्रेस फ्री म्हणजे तणावमुक्त मी राहू शकली. त्यांनी मला ज्या ज्या गोष्टीची गरज पडली त्या सर्व गोष्टी पुरवल्या. इट मीन्स OGQ had played a best role in the success of Mary Kom. There are some important sentences in this passage regarding grammar. The first sentence is, OGQ really played an important part in my success. This sentence is important for change the voice. Change voice साठी मुलांना हे वाक्य विचारलं जाईल. OGQ really played. OGQ really played an important part in my success. Change the voice. Then sentence number 7 here. They helped me out whenever I needed something. They helped me out whenever I needed help. Identify the subordinate clause. Identify the subordinate clause. Subordinate clause. And state its name. State म्हणजे सांगा. State its name. Number 8. They took care of everything. Identify the tense. They took care of everything. They took care of everything. Identify the tense. याचा टेन्स ओळखा. अशा प्रकारे 3 वाक्य आपण त्या पॅसेज मधून बाहेर काढली. In this way, we have taken out 3 sentences from the same passage regarding grammar. First of all, OGQ really played an important part in my success. Change the voice. Identify the voice. पहिल्यांदा वाक्याचा voice ओळखा मुलांनो. See here, there is no form of to be. So it is active voice. Active voice is divided into subject, verb, object. So subject will be OGQ. Verb will be played. And object will be an important part. Okay? Identify the tense. See here, verb is played means simple past tense. Okay, let us start our sentence with object. An important part, singular noun, so use singular verb of was. Singular verb was played by OGQ. Really, other word, really, in my success. In my, खाली घेतो हे, in my success. In my success. Okay. This is passive voice. An important part was played by OGQ really in my success. Then second sentence, see here, sentence number 7. They helped me out whenever I needed help. Identify the subordinate clause and state its name. Subordinate clause ओळखा आणि त्याचा प्रकार सांगा. Here you see, whenever. When or whenever means it indicates time. माहिती आहे तुम्हाला, when किंवा whenever हा शब्द टाइम सुचवतो. टाइम म्हणजे adverb clause of time. Yes. So the sentence from whenever is subordinate clause. So here, write here again, whenever I needed help. This is subordinate clause of time. Okay. Then last sentence, identify the tense. They took care of everything. What word, which word is helpful to you while identifying a tense of the sentence? Yes, naturally the help verb. Verb will be helpful to you to identify the tense. See here, took. Took is the second form of take. It means simple past tense. It is simple past tense. Ha simple past tense आहे मुलांनो. In this way, we have completed this passage. OGQ really played an important part in my success. They helped me out whenever I needed something. They took care of everything, which helped me focus on my boxing and kept me stress-free. Means Mary Kom agreed that OGQ had played a very important part in her success. तिच्या यशामध्ये OGQचा फार महत्वाचा वाटा आहे ही गोष्ट तिने मान्य केली. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड बाय द इंटरव्यूअर, व्हाट्स योर ओपिनियन ऑन द फ्यूचर ऑफ इंडियन बॉक्सिंग? Question asked by Taruka Srivastava, the interviewer. What did she ask her? What's your opinion? तुझं मत काय? What's your opinion on the future of Indian boxing? भारतीय बॉक्सिंगच्या बद्दल, भारतीय बॉक्सिंगच्या भविष्याबद्दल तुझं मत काय? What do you think about the future of Indian boxing? Mary Kom said, the future is very bright. The future of Indian boxing is very bright, and I am sure many more boxers will get medals for us. There will be many more boxers who will participate in the Olympic Games and win medals for India. More medals for India. भारतासाठी असंख्य खेळाडू अनेक पदकं मिळवतील, भविष्य हे बॉक्सिंगचं उज्ज्वल आहे असं मेरी कोम म्हणाली. दिस सेंटेन्स इज इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर मेकिंग एक्सक्लेमेटरी. द फ्युचर इज व्हेरी ब्राईट. सेंटेन्स नंबर 9. The future is very bright. The future is very bright. Make exclamatory. Make exclamatory. Yes. उद्गारवाचक वाक्य बनवा. You know well, there is very, and you know the word very changes into how. हाऊ व्हेरीचं रूपांतर होत असते हाऊ मध्ये. नेक्स्ट वर्ड ब्राईट. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज ब्राईट. देन सब्जेक्ट द फ्युचर. द फ्युचर अँड वर्ड इज एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. How bright the future is. This will be the exclamatory sentence of the assertive one. Yes, the future is very bright, and I am sure many more boxers will get medals for us. This sentence is also important for change the voice. Many more boxers will get medals for us. Sentence number 10. Many more boxers will many more boxers will get medals for us. Will get medals for us. Begin with medals. Question is begin with medals. medals ने वाक्याची सुरुवात करा. म्हणजे चेंज द व्हॉइस. You know, the question begins with means, in other word, change the voice. Begin with म्हणजे change the voice. It means we have to use the 3 steps. First, identify the voice. Second, divide the sentence. Third, identify the tense. So first of all, identify the voice. Yes, here will is the helping verb and get is the main verb. Will help means it is active voice. If the sentence is in active voice, it will be divided into subject, verb, object. Many more is the subject. Sorry, many more boxers is the subject. Get verb and medals object for other words. Then identify the tense. Will means simple future tense. It is simple future tense. Begin your sentence with object, that is medals. Medals. Yes, medals. Helping verb will. Form of to be. Participle of get got. By. Subject many more boxers. Remaining words for us. This will be the passive voice. Medals will be got by many more boxers for us. Yes, it means Mary Kom is positive and she expects that the future of boxing is bright for India. Many more boxers will participate in the Olympic Games and will be able to get medals for India. Next question asked by Taruka Srivastav, the interviewer. Do you find it difficult to convince your children not to fight when they watch you go out and do it in style all the time? Now, this question is related to the children of Mary Kom. मेरी कोमच्या मुलांबद्दल किंवा तिच्या अपत्यांबद्दल प्रश्न विचारला इंटरव्ह्यूअरने. काय म्हणाली ती? डू यू फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट टू कन्व्हिन्स युअर चिल्ड्रेन not to fight when they watch you go out and do in style all the time. Mary Kom, you are always busy in fighting with your counter puncher. At that time, your children watch you on TV fighting with the competitor. Do you find it difficult to control them or convince them not to fight with each other? तुझी तुझी मुलं मेरी 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 कोम तुझी मुलं तुला लढाई करताना टीव्हीवर पाहतात. मग ते दोघं आपसात जेव्हा लढतात किंवा भांडतात त्यांना कंट्रोल करणे किंवा त्यांना याची खात्री देणे हे तुला कठीण वाटते का? तू त्यांना कंट्रोल करू शकतेस का? असा प्रश्न जेव्हा मेरी कोमला विचारला तेव्हा मेरी कोम काय म्हणाली पहा. मेरी कोम सेड, वेल, आय हॅव ट्विन्स. मेरी कोम हॅज ए ट्वीन. ट्वीन म्हणजे जुळी मुलं. आय हॅव ट्विन्स अँड येस sometimes it becomes really difficult to keep them under control. Yes, it is very difficult for Mary Kom to keep her children under control. कधी कधी मुलांना नियंत्रणात ठेवणे, काबूत ठेवणे मला फार कठीण होऊन जाते कारण मला 2 जुळी मुलं आहेत असं मेरी कोम म्हणाली. अँड दिस सेंटेन्स इज इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर आयडेंटिफाय द टेन्स. समटाइम्स इट बिकम्स रियली डिफिकल्ट. I write here sentence number 11. Sometimes it becomes really difficult. Sometimes it really becomes uh, it becomes really difficult to keep them under control. To keep them under control. Identify the tense. Yes, identify the tense. या वाक्याचा टेन्स ओळखा असा प्रश्न तुम्हाला यावर विचारला जाईल. Sometimes it becomes really difficult to keep them under control. While identify the tense of a sentence, a word will be helpful to you. What will be that word? Yes, it is verb. Verb will be helpful to you to identify the tense. वाक्यातील क्रियापद हे तुम्हाला टेन्स ओळखण्यासाठी मदतगार ठरू शकते. कोणता या वाक्यामध्ये वर्ब ओळखू शकता? येस, बिकम्स इज द वर्ब. बिकम्स इज द मेन वर्ब. मेन वर्ब यामध्ये बिकम्स आहे आणि तुम्हाला माहित आहे एस लागलाय बिकमला म्हणजे कोणता टेन्स असला पाहिजे? रिमेंबर दॅट रूल विच यू हॅव मेमोराइज्ड ऑलरेडी. जो नियम तुम्ही ऑलरेडी पाठ केलेला आहे तो आठवा. साध्या वर्तमान काळात करता जेव्हा तृतीय पुरुषी एकवचनी असतो तेव्हा त्याच्या मूळ क्रियापदाला एस किंवा एस प्रत्यय लागतो. आठवलं तुम्हाला? सिंपल प्रेझेंट टेन्स. आन्सर विल बी सिंपल प्रेझेंट टेन्स. सिंपल प्रेझेंट टेन्स हा सिंपल प्रेझेंट टेन्स आहे. So, in this way, Mary Kom responded all the questions asked by the interviewer Taruka Srivastav. Today's time is over now. Let us stop here and we'll complete the remaining last part of the lesson in the next period tomorrow. Until then, goodbye and good luck.